As in our previous video, we discussed about the DeFi tokens and also about the strength of DeFi tokens. So in this video, I will share a token which is DeFi and has number of features and also tell you about the minting of this token to make some good profit. And at the end of the video, I will share about my own price idea and prediction for this token. So any guesses which token we are going to discuss in this video? Do let me know in the comment section. So stay tuned. Feel uninvited. Clever token. Clever is a DeFi decentralized finance protocol which automatically distributes the interest payments to all the token holders of CLVA on a pre-programmed routine cycle schedule over 888 fortnightly cycle, taking 34 years to complete, up to 11% compound interest paid fortnightly with guaranteed automatic payments for all the CLVA token holders. Upon each new 14-day cycle, the DDM decentralized distribution mechanism is triggered, calling the preset cycle schedule to automatically mint and award the allocated amounts of the CLVA to the beneficiaries, thereby increasing the market capitalization and individual worth of CLVA. Also, I will tell you that how you can mint these tokens, and at this time if you are going to buy with 1 Ethereum, about you will get 400 plus CLVA tokens very easily. The Clever is deployed on the Ethereum network as an ERC20 smart contract written in Solidity with the DDM structure, decentralized distribution mechanism. And it is basically defined as a hard-coded into the smart contract itself that cannot be changed after it has been deployed. And here you can see the best news. Clever team will have no ability to dump the market. It's not a rug pull plan, it's an organic plan. So right now I will tell you something more about the automatic payments, and every wallet will earn up to 11%. So it's a great thing that if you are going to hold this coin with 1 Ethereum right now, you will make some good amount of money. I will let you know that how you can mint your simple token CLVA, and very soon this token will be listed on the Uniswap, so you can easily purchase from there even. But before that, you have the chance to make some good amount of money with the CLVA. I will share the link in the description. But first of all, we have to look around some features which make the CLVA entirely exclusive and unique. The basic thing is that your CLVA will never be locked into any term contract or staking period. You always have the freedom to move or send your CLVA anywhere within the cycles. Buy or sell CLVA with no penalties ever. Buy more CLVA to earn more interest. So it's a great thing about the entire platform of the CLVA. Here comes the entire white paper of this token and also about the ecosystem, that how it will run. And one more best thing, that you can hold any amount of the CLVA in your own wallet at the time of each cycle, and you will automatically be awarded interest for that period. No need to do any type of staking or anything. Simply, if you are going to hold this token CLVA, that is the native token of the Clever entire ecosystem, so you will get the interest. So it's a great thing. It is designed to allow everybody complete flexibility to do whatever they want with their own CLVA holdings. You can always buy, sell, move, send or hold any amount of CLVA at any time without penalty or consequence. And CLVA will start trading on the exchanges in maximum next 30 days. After the minting, the maximum in 30 days, basically the coin will be tradable on number of exchanges like P2P, B2B, Coinsbit, Hotbit, HitBTC, and the main exchange which we all love the most, Uniswap exchange. Now it's the time to talk about the minting, that how you can mint the tokens. Simply you have to connect your Ethereum wallet using MetaMask via the Clever minting portal. I will show you that one also, and select the amount of CLVA you want to mint. Basically you want to mint at at the time, you will automatically receive the selected amount of CLVA tokens to your same wallet address. Here comes the entire mint rate at this time. 1 CLVA is equal to 0.0020 Ethereum in the starting. Here you can see the main page, and when you are going to click on the main page, okay, for the Clever minting portal, you will be redirected to that very page, and there you can simply mint the CLVA token. So here comes the contract address of the CLVA tokens. So right now, if you are going to buy this token CLVA, about with 1 Ethereum, you will get up to 410 or 420 tokens maximum, I think. Okay, so right now we are going to check each and everything. With 1 Ethereum, if we are going to buy CLVA, we will get you will get about 455 CLVA tokens, and if you are going with 2 Ethereum, then you will get about 910 CLVA tokens. And as I told you that very soon the team is planning to list the token on number of exchanges, so definitely the price will increase. And as per my own idea about CLVA tokens, definitely one token of CLVA will be around minimum 0.15 Ethereum in near future at the time of listing even. So it's your time to grab this opportunity. You can simply mint these tokens. Here you can see with 2 Ethereum you will get up to 910 CLVA tokens, and when you are going to sell these tokens at about 0.10 Ethereum, definitely some good amount of money you will make. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and what you think about the price idea of the CLVA and also about the plan of entire team, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot.